Did you know that up to 35 of Cisco Certified Network Associate 2301 CCNA candidates fail their exam on the first try? Will you be one of them? Not if you prepare the right way. Let's see if you can answer these real questions from our practice tests. Question 1. A company uses a core L3 switch for inter-VLAN routing, a distribution switch that trunks to a perimeter firewall, and a controller-managed AP cluster for corporate SSIDs. After a wireless configuration change, wireless clients assigned to VLAN 20 get correct IP addresses and can reach internal servers in VLAN 10, but they cannot reach the internet. Wired clients in VLAN 20 can reach the internet. Firewall logs show no sessions from VLAN 20 hosts. Which action most likely resolves the problem? A. Verify and update the wireless controller's DHCP relay settings for VLAN 20 so clients can receive proper gateway information. B. Change the AP SSID security mode to WPA2 Enterprise because the current security prevents NAT traversal on the firewall. C. Add VLAN 20 to the allowed VLAN list on the 802.1q trunk between the distribution switch and the firewall so the firewall can receive and NAT internet-bound traffic from that VLAN. D. Add a static route on the edge router for the VLAN 20 subnet pointing to the distribution switch so internet traffic can be forwarded properly. What's your answer? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is C. This item tests understanding of VLAN trunking, the firewall's role as the internet gateway NAT device, and how inter-VLAN routing on a core switch can mask trunking problems. The wireless clients could reach internal resources because the core switch routed between VLANs locally, but the firewall never saw VLAN 20 because the 802.1q trunk to the firewall did not allow that VLAN. A common pitfall is to blame DHCP, wireless controller settings, or routing when the real issue is an allowed VLAN or trunk misconfiguration between switches and the firewall. Question 2. Two distribution switches, S1 and S2, are connected via GI01 on each switch and are configured as 802.1q trunks. On S1, GI01, the configuration is switchport mode trunk and switchport trunk native VLAN 10. On S2 GI01, the configuration is switchport mode trunk with no native VLAN command, so native is 1. Show interfaces trunk on both switches shows the link as a trunk and carrying VLANs including 10, but a host in VLAN 10 on S1 cannot ping a host in VLAN 10 on S2. A packet capture on the wire shows untagged frames leaving S1 and being placed into VLAN 1 when received by S2. Which action will resolve the connectivity issue with minimal disruption? A. Add VLAN 10 to the allowed VLAN list on both trunks using switchport trunk allowed VLAN add 10. B. Configure both ends to use .1q encapsulation explicitly, e.g. switchport trunk encapsulation .1q so the native VLAN is tagged by default. C. Set the native VLAN on S2 GI01 to VLAN 10 with switchport trunk native VLAN 10 so both trunk endpoints use the same native VLAN. D. Convert both GEI01 interfaces to access ports in VLAN 10 so VLAN 10 traffic is always untagged across the link. What's your answer? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is C. The question tests understanding of 802.1q native VLAN behavior and how untagged frames are classified when native VLANs differ. Native VLAN is local to each trunk endpoint if they do not match. Untagged frames sent by one side will be assigned to the other side's native VLAN, causing traffic to be misclassified. The minimal correct fix is to make the native VLANs match, or alternatively, enable consistent native tagging on both ends. Because changing allowed VLANs, or converting to access ports, does not properly resolve the mismatch and can be disruptive. Want more questions like these? The full course contains 360 similar scenario-based questions. Why choose our course? Because we provide detailed, scenario-based questions with deep explanations for every single option. Get instant access to 360+ questions and 6 complete practice tests. Start passing today with our 100 success guarantee.